Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the pillow-shaped plain rice Zongzi in Heartopia. So right now Heartopia has a new event called Dragon Boat Festival, and in this event you can cook any new special recipe. One of them is this pillow-shaped plain rice Zongzi. And to cook this recipe or to cook this food, it's very easy. First, just go to your stove, and then next just choose this recipe. But first, make sure you already have this recipe. You can buy this recipe at the exchange store, at the Dragon Boat exchange store. Sorry, Midsummer Rhyme exchange store on here. You can buy this recipe on here. And then after that, just go to your stove and then just choose the original or plain recipe, this one. And then next in here you need to complete all the ingredients. You need the bamboo leaf, and then you need paddy, and then in here you also need the red bean. For the paddy, you can get it from the gardening hobby. That you can buy these seeds at the NPC plant and then just plant them at your planter. And then for the paddy, sorry, and then for the bamboo leaf, you can buy it at the exchange store too. And then for the red bean, you can get it from the NPC Massimu. And then after all the ingredients are complete, just simply tap start cooking like this, and then just cook this zongzi. And just like that, you will successfully making pillow-shaped plain rice zongzi. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.